Preparation and standardization of Sivakshar Pachan Churna. Starting with the very basic term, when we talk about Ayurveda, Ayurveda is an alternative medicine system with historical root in Indian subcontinent, which include various therapies like herbal medicine, spatial diet, meditation, yoga, massage, enemas, and medical oils. Ayurvedic medicines are typically based on complex herbal compounds, minerals, and metal substance. What are herbs? So, herb is plant-based substance that has a story of use in Ayurveda for promoting health and balancing one or more of the dose like Vat, Pitta, and Kapha. Herbal formulation. Dose of consist of one or more herbs or proceed herb in specified quantities to provide specific nutritional, cosmetic, other benefits means for use to diagnose, treat disease of human beings or animals, to alter the structure or physiology of human beings and animals. Standardization of herbal drug. The process evaluating the quality and purity of crude drug by means of various parameters like morphological, physical, chemical, and biological observation. What is the importance? Importance of standardization. Role in identification of botanical source. Useful in identification of common adulterant. Significant role in quality evaluation for crude drugs originating from a different localities. Determination of suitable time of harvest. And role in specification of condition of drying, storage, and shelf life. Standardization of herbal drug. Standardization involve different techniques like organoleptic, botanical, physical, chemical, and biological. Organoleptic properties. The aspects of food and other substances are experienced by sense, color, odor, taste, texture, and fracture. Botanical technique in that studied were carried out by two ways: macroscopy and microscopy. In macroscopy, identity of our formulation by shape, external, and marking. In microscopy, we were carried out by qualitative and quantitative same studies and powder studies. Physical evaluation include moist content, extract value, and ash value. Chemical evaluation carried out qualitative, quantitative, and chromatography. Biological evaluation in that microbial contamination, under that total viable count, determination of pathogen, a aflatoxin. Sivakshar Pachan Churna is powder herbal formulation used for treating digestive disorder, loss of appetite. It has carminative properties which help in reducing flatulence. It is very useful for treating indigestion and hepatic complication. Medicinal properties. Very useful herbal remedy for digestive disturbance. It helps to improve the disturbed digestion. Its carminative effect help to expel and prevent further formulation of gas, therefore keep you away from abdominal cramps. Bloating and discomfort. It also manages anorexia, enhance appetite, and improves metabolism. It can be well indicated in constipation. It also deals with discomfort to decups. Indications like flatulence, loss of appetite, bloating, constipation, hepatic complications, abdominal pain. Dose 1 to 2 gram twice a day after meal with lukewarm water and also consume with clarified butter. Contraindication. Should better be avoided in male getting treated for infertility as it might affect the sperm production. People who are underweight and excessively tried should also not consume this medicine. It should be strictly consumed under medical supervision. Overdose may cause burning sensation in abdominal region and loose stool. Ayurvedic property of Sivakshar Pachan Churna. Rog karma is Agni Madhyay, Admana, Ajirna. Dosh karma is Vatak Faraha. Agni karma is Deepna and Pachna. Other karma like Shrot, Avrod, Hara. Ingredient in the Sivakshar Pachan Churna consists of 10 ingredients, in which 2 is Sarjikshara and rock salt are common, and 8 are Sunthi, Pipli, Maricha, Ajmoda, Svet Jeera, Krishna Jeera, Hing, Haritaki are the herbs. Method of preparation. Clean the all ingredients, grind them separately to form fine powder. Take equal portion of each powder drug. Mix all the powder and combine well. Sift the powder using a muslin cloth. Store it in airtight container away from heat, light and moisture. How to make formulation show in this video. Take 25 gram of each ingredient. After weighing all ingredients, mix properly. After mixing, formulation was ready. Organoleptic evaluation, sensory characteristic like taste, appearance, odor, color, were studied like Sivakshar Pachan Churna. Astringent in taste, it has powder appearance, pleasant in odor, brownish in color. Physical evaluation, we perform physical parameter like bulk density, tap density, compressibility, loss on drying and ash value. These are the observation of our formulation we were get. Chemical evaluation, qualitative phytochemical assay. The bioactive extract should be standardized on the basis of active principle or measure compounds along with the chromatographic fingerprints like tannin, alkaloids, glycosides, flavonoids, steroid, phlebototannin, saponins. Phytochemical analysis of Sivakshar Pachan Churna. Observations show that positive and negative result for phytochemical analysis, like for tannin, black color, it means results show positive. For it, alkaloid shows positive color, and so on. These are the observation of phytochemical evaluation which we were carried out using aqueous and methanol extract of Sivakshar Pachan Churna. And from observation, it was found in black pepper, Krishna jeera, ginger present in formulation. Biological evaluation, microscopy study the cellular structure and arrangement of in our formulation. You can see in this picture. First one is parenchymatic cell, second is trichome, last one is star cell. We were observed it on 100x and 45x under microscope. Determination of heavy metal. Contamination of medicinal plant material with arsenic and heavy metals can be attributed to many causes, including environmental pollution and trace of pesticides. Sivakshar Pachan Churna were tested with presence of lead, bismuth and cadmium, all two heavy metal found absent in our formulation. Chromatography of herbal formulation, which is separation, identification, impurity detection and assay of herbal drug. In formulation of the extract are carried out by following the method like TLC. Thin layer chromatography is simply known as TLC. TLC is performed on glass, plastic and aluminum foil, which is coated with thin layer of absorbent like silica, is generally known as stationary phase. Mobile phase were used to toluene, ethyl acetate and formic acid. Ratio is 7:4:0.7. TLC plate. These are the observation of TLC plate where visualized under TLC visualizer and proper separated band is each ingredient were observed. Biological evaluation. Microbiological analysis, total viable count, gives a quantitative idea about the presence of microorganisms such as bacteria, yeast and mold in sample. To be specific, the count actually represents the number of colony forming unit per ml of the sample. Media were used nutrient agar media, and nutrient agar is a general media. Technique was used separate plate techniques for performing total viable count. You can observe the plate. There are show zone of inhibition around the well. These are the observation table we get. Summary. It is necessary to improve the safety of herbal drug by developing certain quality control parameter and by following the WHO guidelines. Standardization of herbal formulation is essential in order to confirm its identity, quality and purity. Standardization can be achieved by evaluating and analyzing herbal formulation by sophisticated modern technique like UV visible, TLC, HPTLC, and other method analysis of phytochemical and microbial. The standardization of study include the determination of various physicochemical, phytochemical, chromatography, and microbiological evaluation, which were followed by stability study. The results show all the properties were found to be within the prescribed pharmacopoeia limit. These are the references which have used. Thank you.